Mount Athos is an island off of Greece, home to dozens of monastic communities, Orthodox monks who live there in worship and seeking divine intimacy with God. Here you see their preparations for Easter during their Holy Week. So they're wrapping the cross so that all of the images are bare, and there's a lot of simplicity leading in Holy Week. It's leading up to Easter and the celebration of the resurrection. They process with candles symbolizing light, the light of Christ coming into the world in the resurrection. Streaming laurel leaves is a symbol of victory. If you recall seeing the Caesars of ancient Roman time, they'd be wearing a laurel wreath, symbolizing victory and strength. And so this is conquering death. And then, you see in the ultimate liturgy leading up to Easter, which is often the vigil, the night before Easter, tremendous light and illumination, which is the power of the resurrection conquering darkness.